Most tragic school shootings in the country, a committee is now trying to identify the systemic failures that allowed it to happen.
New Hampshire Homeland Security and Emergency Management hosted a lead investigator today from the Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School shooting. You'll remember that in Parkland, Florida. He told officials the ins and outs of school safety and what he dealt with. Local 22's Courtney Adelman now with details.
My name is Nick, and I'm going to be next school shooter of 2018.
If you see something, say something. The number one thing John Siss advises.
There were 4 instances specifically where law enforcement was notified of Nick Cruz being a threat, and they did not act upon that. There were multiple instances where school staff also were made aware, and they didn't act on it.
Sergeant John Siss of Pinellas County in Florida is the lead investigator of the Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School Public Safety Commission. He says the committee was formed after the shooting to figure out potential warning signs of the tragic event.
It's comprised of law enforcement officials, individuals from mental health, schools, and some other agency heads throughout the state of Florida.
The goal of the committee is to identify system failures.
Federal privacy laws, FERPA and HIPAA, that prevented some individuals from sharing information with other agencies. The law enforcement response, there was definitely some inadequate there was an inadequate law enforcement response to the shooting. Schools had the opportunity, the administration at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School had several red flags and the opportunity to intervene in some way.
Siss hopes by giving presentations on his findings, he can teach others to be prepared.
It's absolutely incumbent upon us that have been through this in some way or another to learn from mistakes that have happened previously and improve.
And New Hampshire is happy to learn.
To be able to share it with our first responders in the event that something may happen in New Hampshire, that they have the tools in their toolbox to be able to respond in a timely, efficient, and effective manner.
Siss says regardless where we are in the United States, it can happen anywhere, and we have to be ready.
When is it going to happen? Where is it going to happen? And what have we done to mitigate harm?
Courtney Adelman, Local 22 News, Bow.